Thank you for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we'll check out this. It's obviously winter time, and Outlander PHEV is a great vehicle for winter time. And in this video, we'll cover a few options that are very, very awesome in the winter time for this vehicle. Few of them are outside, few of them inside. So let's get it cleaned right now, and then we'll talk about those few options. Thanks again for checking in, and let's check out those awesome winter options. Actually, you know what? We're not going to clean the vehicle. We're going to look at the way it is right now, and then we'll check out the exterior, interior. This one here is a fully loaded PHEV GT red diamond. Has black roof option as well. That's snowed in. You can't really tell it right now because too much snow on top of it. But okay, here's the couple options that are really, really good for the winter time. Number one, I can't really demonstrate right now because I'm filming with my phone. It's app. So with the app, you can warm up the vehicle before you leave. It's going to be nice and warm. So that's a very, very good option to have if you have the PHEV. And you also can have that option with the engine start on your Outlander as well. But the PHEV, you can adjust the temperature from your app. Very, very good. I've made videos on my channel on the app, so you can check them out. Number two, the best option that I like is this keyless entry. Such a small thing, but it's very, very good and convenient. So you just press the key, this button, and this one here, there you go, opens up. If it's frosted and it's kind of like, you know, with the snow, you're not gonna break it. So just clean it off like this, and then you can have it full access to your vehicle. So here's why this is important. A lot of the times your key is just in your pocket, and then you don't want to in the winter time be just taking it out and, you know, locking and unlocking. You just want to get in the vehicle as fast as possible. And this is, if you have gloves on, this is exactly what it does, the convenience, right? So you just press the button, unlock it, and off you go. You would think that almost all vehicles have, and the majority of vehicles have, but I've seen here at Tri-City Mitsubishi, we do get a lot of like high-end cars in buyings and trade-ins as well, and a lot of even BMWs, Mercedes-Benz, Infinitis, like those kind of cars, they don't have this option. So we cannot take it for granted. This is a very, very good option. So you press the button, unlocks the door, you open the door, you open the rest of the vehicle if you need with this button, and everybody has the access. Of course, remember, clean the snow around the windows, otherwise you'll end up with a lot of snow inside of the vehicle. Now, the other option is the kick motion, and let's see how it works. So right now we have some snow here, there, everywhere. So we want to, you know, clean it or not clean it. Let's not clean it. So let's keep it very, very real, how you would do it in a daily basis if you don't clean it. So this is how it is. Let's try to do the kick motion. Let's see if it works. Okay, it did pick it up. Off it goes. It opens up. I didn't clean anything. Okay, all the snow stayed on the trunk right here. Some of it fell on here. We're gonna clean that off. If it melts here a little bit, no big deal. So, but again, this is, here you go. I just can have my hands in my pockets, or if I have gloves on. Again, I don't want to be looking for that key, pressing the buttons, or pressing the buttons on the tailgate itself. You do have that kick motion, and you can put your stuff in. Let's say you have gloves on, you don't want to do anything, you put your stuff in, and then you do the same kicking motion, and that closes the tailgate. And these options are so important and cool in the winter time that you cannot underestimate how nice and good they are. So if you have your app, you warm up the vehicle, you access your trunk, you put your stuff in, you access your vehicle through here. Now we can jump in and check out what's important, what's good in terms of interior features. Okay, I always like to clean my boots before I get in the car. It's a habit I have, and a lot of people do the same. Okay, so we're inside of the vehicle. Let's start it up. Okay, now remember, don't want to you know, use your windshield wipers if you have you know, lots of snow on your windshield. So I want to clean it first, and then proceed of you know, wiping off the what's left on the of the snow. Okay, Here we have climate control settings, and cool thing for the winter time, of course, we have heated seats right here, but we also have heated steering wheel on the Outlander. So this one here is the PHEV fully loaded. It has all the options that you might want in the vehicle. So can hear that the gas engine kicked in to warm it up. We have heated seats, front passenger, and we also have heated steering wheel. Then of course we can you know, fool around with all the different airflows. You have the rear defroster and then the front airflow, and this one here has the defrost option here. And then this one here, you have the rear defrost for the rear windshield, and also on the rear view mirrors right here. So it's the same button that will have exactly the same function. So it'll defrost the mirror and it'll defrost the rear view window. So 2-in-1. It kind of should be almost like two different you know, images and symbols there, just to be a little bit more clear. And there we go. So we can play around like this with the defrost options, and now we can also check what's going on in the second row of the Outlander. And let's get in the second row. Let's check what's going on here. And because this is a fully loaded one, it has all the options, and we can see that we have here heated seats. So this seat and this seat is heated. Pretty amazed how this option is available on the Outlanders. And not too long ago, even just a regular heated seat was you know, a standalone luxury option, but right now you have it widely available on almost like all cars. And again, this is a feature that cannot be overlooked, because not a lot of vehicles have it, but Outlander has it, and is just so much you know, extra comfort to all the passengers and everyone who's driving. So we can hear how the car is defrosting nicely. And let's have a look at the interior one more time, and then that's it. So again, right now we have vehicle running, we have heated seats, we have heated steering wheel, we have rear and mirrors defrosting. This is the windshield wipers are defrosting. That's what this button is. And we can also put the front air to blast off a little bit kind of like harder, and all this helps us for the winter driving. I already can feel that the entire heated steering wheel is warmed up. That's really nicely, really cool. So there we go. We just checked out a few options that are very, very important for your winter driving. I hope you like them as much as I do. Now we're gonna clean it off, and this vehicle is gonna be ready for a beautiful sale. So thanks again for checking out, and see you next time around.